Hello darlings, hello creative ones, welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you're here for the first time, don't forget to subscribe. I never subscribe, thank you for doing that. My name is Aziz Amina, CEO of Ast of Mina, and today's guys we'll be learning how to make pleated criloline turban cap. And so that is the material I'm showing you. I'm going to be needing our turban cap, our criloline, our needle and thread, pocket rolls, our hot glue, our needle and thread, and our tape rule. And this is my pleating cap. This is a pleating cap. I have a lot of videos on how to make a pleating cap, and that is my tape rule, my comb. So let's DIY. So let's get started. So just create a beautiful turban of your choice, and this is pleating criloline. So if you are just new to my YouTube channel, check previous on how to make a pleating criloline on my channel. And if you are a older subscriber, so I think you are familiar with pleated criloline. So this criloline is the pleated criloline because it's a little bit joy, and so this is it, guys. Look at it. So the measurement I use here is 20 inches. So I'm going to start the plating from the other side. We have the side that has rope, so I'm going to start the plating just the way I'm doing. See what I'm doing? It's so easy to do. So you're going to do a running stitch just like the way I'm doing it. Can you see? Just see what I'm doing. It's very easy to do. So you just have to take this so easy. So if you are beginners, welcome to my YouTube channel. And so let's keep doing this, and just have to be very careful. Make sure you follow the lines, and you're going to pull out the thread out. You pull out the thread out. See? Can you see what I'm doing? Then you're going to tie it. I'm going to tie it together just the way I'm doing it. You tie it together. It's so easy to do. You tie it together. Then you repeat that again. You tie again and again. You tie it again. Can you see? Very easy to do. So you're going to cut that out, and you're going to sew in and out of the criloline. Make sure you sew it. Can you see the way I fold my hand? So just sew it in and out. Can you see? Just sew it in and out. It's so easy to do. Just sew it in and out, and make sure the sewing is so tight. The sewing must be so tight. Can you see? You can see what I'm doing. I'm trying to secure that part. I don't want that part to loose. I'm trying to secure it. So you keep doing that in and out, and make sure the sewing is tight like I said earlier. So I'm done with that part, and what we're going to be doing right now, I'm going to, can you see the shape? Can you see the shape? Just like a bow. So it's going to form in form of a bow. Then you're going to bend it. Can you see the way it goes? And you're going to sew that part in and out. You're going to secure your needle and thread, sew it in and out. This tutorial is I think is much about sewing. So you're going to sew this in and out. Just use your thread, the needle and thread, to sew it in and out, just like what I'm doing. It's very easy to do. So you're going to keep doing that, and can you see? So I'm going to take it to my turban cap, and this is my pleated turban cap. You can do any turban cap of your choice and just place it. You can place it upper plate, you can place it one side, just depend on how you want it. So I'm going to sew this in and out. I'm going to use my needle and thread to sew this in and out. Can you see what I'm doing? So I'm going to sew it in and out, just like this. Sew it in and out, just like the way I'm doing it. So make sure the sewing is so tight. And this is my pocket rolls. So I'm going to add a little drop of hot glue on it. I'm going to work with my glue gum. So just what I'm doing to do, just press your glue gum on it. Can you see? So I'm going to press it on it. Can you see what I'm doing? Just what I'm doing. So I'm going to place it on the criloline. I'm going to place on the criloline just like this. You place it just like that. Then use your hand to press it, and I'll repeat it on the second one too. I'm going to use the hot glue. Just see what I'm doing. See what I'm doing. Then I'm going to just press. Can you see? Okay, I'm using that pocket rose to cover the soap part place. So you're going to use your hand to press that part down. You press it. See what I'm doing. You're going to press it and this it, and can you see? I'm going to press it. So you can tack on that inside, or you can use a hot glue. Just depend on what you want. You can fold. You can still fold if you want it to be very small again. You can fold just like this. You can leave it like this, and you can tack it. You can use the hot glue. You can leave it the way I leave it as I am. You can just keep doing that. So see what I'm doing. So if you have any question on these tutorials, just drop your question. My WhatsApp number, I'll be dropping my WhatsApp number there, and that's it. So just look at it. I think I'm done with the tutorial. Just see what I'm doing. Wow. So can you see what I'm doing? Can you see? So I'm going to still showing you around. Check my previous videos on how to make a pleated turban. Make sure you wash it from Art of Mina. So see what I'm doing. So I think we are good to go like this. Can you see? Can you see? You can style it in any way you want it. Just see the front part, the side part, and the back part. Just see what we are doing. Wow. So I'm trying to show you back again. So follow me on Instagram, Style by Mina Minilari, and follow me on Facebook, Queen Pretty. My Facebook group is Art of Minan. So just see. Can you see? I'm still showing. That is the back view of my cap. So I'm trying to show you that I make use of pleated turban. And the material I use for this cap is we call it obebi or jojo. I don't know what you call it inside. So that is it, and I'll be showing you how I'm going to wear this. So I'm going to be wearing some cap turban down, then I'm going to place this on my head. Can you see? So I'm going to move this see, wow. So like I said earlier, you can tack that part, you can leave it, or you can adjust on your head just how you want it. Just depend on how you love it, and that is it. And you are going to move it to the back a little bit. So can you see what I'm doing? It's very easy to do. Please don't forget to subscribe, and don't forget to comment. That is very important. So and that's I'll be showing the back view. That's the back view, and this is the front view of my pleated criloline turban. Wow. So guys, so look at this. If you're a Christian, you can rock this to church. If you're a Muslim, you can still rock this. You can still rock this out and add this to your turban business. So just look at the final looking, so beautiful and so lovely. So this is so beautiful and this is so lovely. You can rock this out, you can rock this to a wedding party, you can just add this to your business. So this is another tutorial that you can just add to your business. It's so easy to do. It's very easy to do. So if you're a beginner, so you can get the materials you can get from millinery shop. Just get this at the millinery shop. So you can get this at the millinery shop. And for the turban cap, you can get all these other. You can get it from store, people that sell the tailoring materials. You can get it, or you can get it from people that sell fabric, that sell materials. You can just get this from it. So check my previous video on how to make a pleated turban just a pleated turban. So guys, I'll be seeing you next time on my next video. So I'll be seeing you next time on my next video. Don't forget to like, share, and don't forget to comment. I'll be waiting to for you to make this and work this by yourself. So this DIY is for you. Bye. See you next time.